One really annoying thing when you're riding is having your keys jingling all around and you can't find them when you stop, or your phone's all over the place. You don't want it smacking against your saddlebag. So we have a product that we really love that helps with that, and that is Hardstreet's Right There Saddlebag Shelf Set. It's made for both the older style bags, the newer style bags, comes in tan, gray, and charcoal. And Dan's gonna show you how easy it is to install.
Hey guys, this is Dan from Indian Motorcycle of St. Paul, here to introduce the Right There shelves, introduced by Hardstreet. I'll show you how easy it is to put them in. Alright, so it's a pretty basic kit here. You're going to need 4 pieces per side. This is going to be the left side, this will be the right side. It all comes with double-sided tape, so you peel this layer off and then it sticks to the inside of the bag. This is your shelf where your items are going to hang out. It gets locked in by this piece that is secured by this piece that wraps around and that's stuck inside of the bag. That lines up. Go in with the shelf. May take a little bit of finagling here. Bear with me. There we go. Then it gets locked in by this piece right here.
Voila! That simple to install, looks great. You never have to worry about your phone jingling all around or scratching your sunglasses or losing your keys. Really simple. So give us a call here at Indian Motorcycle St. Paul.